Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and this is Suma Babu. Abstract paintings are normally fun to do. You can say there is no hard and fast rules to make an abstract art. You can use multi-mediums to create one such painting. It is a meditative art. You can use any number of colors to make it. Today I'll discuss about what was the thought process behind making this abstract piece. My mind was totally disturbed while starting off this painting. I didn't know how it is going to turn out as well. I chose acrylic colors for this because it is an easy drying, vibrant medium. I picked up few shades of colors first. Normally, when I do an abstract art, I don't plan much. I just paint. I try to layer them and apply the right combination of colors together. I do believe colors have feelings. We can express our emotions through colors. If we see colors affects us on a daily basis, look out the window. How you feel? A blue sky might make you feel happy, whereas a grey sky might make you a bit down, and a night dark sky make you to relax and go to sleep. When I started off this painting, I started applying bits and pieces of brushstrokes over the canvas. I have no idea what I am going to make on it. I gave enough time to experience the application of colors. I enjoyed the process. Each stages of creating art will speak poetry. The best combination is keep the music on and paint. I felt relaxed throughout the process. In some places, I even close my eyes while painting to get a different experience. All my muscle memory and emotions came in a straight line. That time I experienced a bliss. Sometimes I mixed colors, sometimes I applied thick layers, and sometimes I diluted the paint. That happened automatically. I know I can't live without colors, So this kind of abstract pieces on my wall gives me happy and energetic feeling. It sparks positive emotions in me, which give a vibrant boho effect all around me. Don't try to copy an abstract act. Even if you are a beginner, try to make an original one. You can reuse your old canvases for this. I promise you will love it. That's all for today. Hope you liked the video. Try to share your experience while making an abstract art. Try to share even the details of what mediums and colors you have used. Thank you for watching till the end. See you soon with something interesting. Take care and happy painting. Bye.